Do you want the glass skin glow? This easy Korean honey glow mask will leave your skin dewy, radiant and hydrated. Let's make it in just a minute. Raw honey for deep hydration, and it has antibacterial properties too. Yogurt for brightening the skin. Rice flour for gentle exfoliation. And turmeric to fight inflammation in skin. Now mix well until you get a smooth paste. Apply this paste an even layer to clean and dry skin. Let this sit for 10 to 15 minutes while the ingredients work their magic. Now rinse it off after 10 minutes with lukewarm water for great glow. For best result, use this mask 2 to 3 times a week. If you love natural skincare, hit like, subscribe and comment below your favorite DIY face mask.